baby America in case of needs be bar e be attacking TNB channel la e be providing information bia we here e be other channels they me providing videos no more can but the informations kakana alternatives na de bia e so we na nke we are seniors so into your first time abaha no be just subscribe channel we na ade bia den e be koye ni meaning say make me video no trend definitely will be say Sarkodie and Shatta Wale meet me akọ White House akọ video ewo ho and at the same time so no also be say me amete meet me akọ White House e bia meet me akọ nante wo ho etim de me phone akọ pictures wo after sa video no obehu ye won bia no behu enti within sa video and remember comments bia so person akọ White House comments bia ohia bia no obenya at the same time so no the one who saw movie be and say be a music video be na White House woman after sa video ni be and they won't be ano ubehu enti yen say ma memfa mo nko White House website wo na yen sam pinsem we so we Ghana ni na country bia na wo bisa ho say metimi akọ White House answer na yes wow tia obetimi akọ White House and so US country bia wo bia no obetimi akọ White House but ye wade bia say we one before so be submit request to a first come first serve basis no me use White House wo and a time obetimi akoto 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and obetimi akoto e White House wo White House ni bia US president na dey e wo no to say bia Ghana ha Jubilee House no White House ni US for e dey nti bia wonim White House and then na White House no and a days a between their koto Tuesday na Saturday na the same time so no say bibi betimi abo agu within Saturday we na be a holiday some federal holidays be na betimi abo e bia otoni bi e dey gu no mo dia kokoshe but before Friday e dey amount and I'll be beside White House FFFA White House do be any obekono and the magical that be no kre wom ni say o person ko to na a free of charge omunjiska omunje once the cry and I will face challenges be abet me contact embassy no me apo am meet me assist and I say ba age we US near I say 18 years and I say older 18 years or older and at the same time so your foreigner we age no 18 years and all age bia no bit me akọ eteyem cry say ye mpanfo bit me den bit me akosa aton but before so the kosa aton make sure so was our IDs we US na make sure ukita US driver's license na the same time so no e be a valid passport and at the same time so the military ID no making sure so was our IDs we na foreign nationals no making sure so wo valid passport na permanent resident card and na the keka ho anoma ya me babbo so ye no bia in case so o koto na untimi ye den untimi fan ka ho omo ma kwan kra ma de o fan kan at the same time so no before so send a request no so no money na no be catch at the same time before so be ba no on be alert enti me say abobo so so no man me bobo ebi so we den e wo ha de am at the same time the no money na be good description at the same time they penny or comment nti obetimi akwa de akwa check it out and no man want me fan kon e bi ne video cameras and we tripod stand monopods liquids guns that's a tool no and a tool mobile and second say the TB second bia no untimi de untimi fan call and no man bebre no and am bob so say your camera ade bia camera bia na e bia the fan say the some camera na mudi photo shoot no untimi de untimi fan call and understand the keka ho no untimi fan call and ade bia timi twa video bia sorry nya ade bia timi twa video bia cause untimi the phone ko ba untimi fan twa video and flags say bia wo flag se bia wo ye Ghana ni na kwa untimi fa flag en ko untimi fa Ghana flag en ko jino ko hihim ana se bia wo ye Nigeria ni a untimi fa flag en ko ye de en ko hihim nti flag de untimi fa ko ade ba ko so the two team ni say sadi we no mudi ke catch on sana wako enti wo ko no nim se sadi we fa ko but he ni wan ko try almost okay the video camera ni ko the video camera ni be ko me the camera we be kwade we me be ko me hwa ade me ko na bia na omo ka tin so omo me mfa nwura den na magya no wo ho ade ba ko ewom ni se omunni ba bia ometimi store no ma na ede e wo ho into the side ne ko na so do bag bi bo wachi o the side ne kwa make sure say untimi nka tofo no ho bi obeka achi obegina ho untimi nko sa ato no obeka achi atwe am omo akwaba enti men try say bia odi no ma beside e ko mo aka say emfanko pacho ya tase ana normal obetim dia koye ba koye mobile phones na wallets na ebia akra diapers na the keka ho normal kakra bi no na obetim ba ma akwan ma wayden otim dia ko na minister definitely o ko ha obe wa just okay and na memfa yemfa kan ko ebia course obi had ne kama mo ska die obi betwe ne car dia ko we be isi no ko wo mre say o do ka kwa unya ba bi mpake no cause White House inside one no ma kwan say den pack wo ho na the same time so because of say Washington DC one e one here very busy nti na bia unya ba bi nye de empake o car no nti obedi kan akwa pack o car no e wo ba bi a church ba bi kura ansa no why den ansa no wasen ya na ntaba na wasen fa kai den aba nti best na obetimi and say e bia passenger public cars ni bi no na wa fa o me kwa say then no ko that I say any best advisor I say adia obetimi like adia meeting I recommend say in case of so kosato na ubitim jako ba say ubiko ko you camera wo ko ye video that be untimi be beside e wo in case of say wo ho na hu say obi a obi ai video bi na White House ebia bibi say ebia White House na ebia ogina White House no na White House wa no ye videos bisa na obi abi and ebia na editing ebia studio bi no mo share design as ebia White House on as ebia green screen bi na my video bisa pacho ya tase and na wo koto na owo 45 minutes so wo koto immediately I'll be right inside na we go for turn no obia 45 minutes wa koto no obia 45 minutes after 45 minutes no o turn time na den aso na wo basa to e so do 15 minutes before time na mo de be ma no so do 15 minutes before sa time no o go for later o mo ma kwan ma wuram nti ebia untimi kwa Ghana time ho that be omo the time na ma nti untimi nko ema ne mbroso bacho yete ase untimi nko ma ne mbroso na ase ebia 15 minutes no ebia omo ka say 3 o'clock na no draw that be and so draw 15 minutes before bacho yete ase today o metimi de ompeso mo he bia no o metimi aye na de ba ko achi nipa do na adwen pa ne say White House metimi atwa picture ho Ugusu awo turn na like mo go for turn obetimi atwa picture obetimi di o phone na atwa pictures but make sure say o phone no pictures na wutwa no say wo flashlight bi wo ho ubedum flashlight no turn off sa flashlight no entwa picture flashlight bepa na the same time so untimi nye video recording wo we don't do video record untimi nye video recording e wo White House even with your phone look at untimi nye video ba ubetimi atwa pictures ubetimi apose make atwa pictures mugusa mo turn ubetimi atwa pictures or quite in the actual now for so okay about White House to okay check your pictures into who you so mobile phone and they record the video or mom permit to say we use mobile phone and they record the video at the same time so no or mom per se if you check picture with picture they with me a track okay no problem with me a picture or go somewhere turn with me a picture now we check picture and make sure say flashlight in it and so we do more flashlight no photography flashlight that be and so the means more certain sir with me turn off flashlight no ye in trap picture be my flashlight there about side and infant tweeting e would think say be ko White House side and fast to see am no ka say dey White House will me trap picture flashlight there be so na the same time so no me video recording there e wo ho ni nyina mistake e wo description in at the same time and me pin you our comment section no enti back to question here starting video back to question no obi baby say Sarkodie and Shatta Wale betimi White House okotwa videos say the starting video o hwe no ma boss wa omon permit wo ho no say okotwa videos o hwe no ma boss yi so untimi fa video camera nko o phone kra no untimi fa ntwa video wa he interested Sarkodie and Shatta Wale obi betimi White House okotwa video at the same time so no Bedman and I say bia US phone to fuaka send DJ Khaled na omam keka on untini ko White House dey enko trap video into question me did say my answer sa question into say wo tinim say bia Sarkodie na panyin bi betimi akọ White House akọ trap video at bi enim sa White House omo media wo am do trap video ne ma president to say bia oba Jubilee ha kufu ado kwa ne camera on say omo team ne dey edi na chi no enti ya fasade ni ntu etim me gidi se video be boa ma de bia wo ye bia no be ko anem de wo hia bia na me de beto description and at the same time so no me pin wo comment follow taking on Facebook YouTube here subscribe the channel me the videos baby rebra me the videos are ehu hia wo Ghana ha bia ya de bia onim ade na wo ye no